Well, good evening. It is Mr. Sunshine coming to you live. And you know, I got a lot of material to cover tonight. As a matter of fact, we're going to get started on it right now. As Mr. Sunshine at 9 o'clock, I've been running all day long. Oh, here we go. Amanda Rose. Oh, I want to get away. I want to fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Aaron Mordecki. Oh, boy. Right now, 24 hours, less than 24 hours from now, pal. Oh, Mars. Will it just be Mars? Let's wait until the sun. Let's just get inside. We are one. Just for a little fun. Oh, yeah. I want to get away. I want to fly away. Yeah, yeah. Aaron, in less than 24 hours, you're going to be mine, pal. All mine. Well, let me tell you, Aaron, tonight, lay in bed, Pittsburgh, PA. Hold your pillow tight. Make love to it. Look at the four walls in your bedroom. Tell your girlfriend how much you love her, because come tomorrow, oh, all of that is coming to an end. Aaron, away. I want to fly away. Yeah. There it is, Aaron. Look at it. PBI International Airport. I'm driving by it right now. Jet Aviation right over there. Well, Aaron, in less than 24 hours. Right now, Aaron. Right now. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show it to you right now, Aaron. There it is. PBI. You're going to inbound for landing. There it is. Look at it. Ah. This is where you're coming tomorrow. There it is. There's the tower over there. There it is. Delta 83586 inbound from Pittsburgh, PA to there. You know, Aaron, you're going to ease on in to away. I want to fly away. Oh, you're going to fly right in. And tomorrow, Aaron Mordecki, right now, tonight, lay in bed. Those butterflies are going to start churning in your stomach. You're going to be sitting there breaking out into a cold sweat. You're going to ask yourself, oh, am I ready? Am I ready to go to sunny South Florida? Am I ready? Well, let me tell you something. There you go, Aaron. Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. Aaron, your oceanfront penthouse is ready. The ocean is there. The saltwater air, 95-degree weather. You're right on the beach. You walk over there. Well, Ed, tonight, lay there in that cold sweat. Look at your girlfriend and ask her, I don't know, Mr. Sunshine, and all of this coming to an end, pal. You better be ready. If you need Big John Lewis You better bring him along. You're gonna need him, pal. Tomorrow night, Fred Sardillo and Taboo. And then from there, we're going to the bed. So you know what? Bring that shirt, jacket, and tie. Bring them alligators. Bring yourself some beautiful laid pants, some loafers, a jacket. Don't you come down here looking like Jethro Bodine. Let me tell you, it ain't gonna work that way. Oh, well, I'm down. Here we go now. I'm down. Here we go now. Crazy feeling I don't understand. Gotta get away from here. Got my feet on the ground, waiting for the sun to appear. You better be ready, Aaron. You know, Gallo, one thing I can say, and I gotta give credit where credit is due. Aaron Mordecki said, Sunshine, I'm coming to South Florida. Sunshine, I want to be on South Ocean Boulevard. Sunshine, I want to be Worth Avenue. I want to be at Taboo. I want to be in a bed. Well, tomorrow, Frank Gallo, you ain't going to have to ask, where's the women? Where's the ladies? Well, when the Dango Duchess comes to town. Oh, Aaron Mordecki, let me tell you something, pal. I'm going to take you from Saks Fifth Avenue to Louis Vuitton. We're going to stop at Starbucks, have a little drink-a-row. We're going to go over to Neiman Marcus. We're going to ease on down Ferragamo's. We're going to ease on down to Taboo. We're going to get down to the Al Fresco. We're going to have everything that you have witnessed. Everything that you've seen on the feed is all coming to reality come tomorrow. Well, you know what, Aaron? Get a good night's sleep. Get yourself, hug your pillow. Hug that pillow tonight. Make love to it. Say, oh, Pittsburgh, PA. You know why, Aaron? While you're sitting there, we're going to be sitting there looking at Trump. Huh? Let me get this out of your way. Looking at this. You're going to be easing on in. Now, Pete, let me tell you something, Peter. I got Aaron Mordecki coming. And then, Aaron, tomorrow night, you're going to meet Fred Sardillo. That's right. Standing up this tall, looking like this. Well, let me tell you something, Daddy. If you think you're right. Aaron, I am going to take you on tour. We're going to film you shoving down Harvey's Hot Dogopolis. You're going to take it right down your throat. You can. Flying high again. Flying high again. Oh, you're going to be flying high. We're going to make sure you're going to eat all of Harvey's meat. All of it. We don't want to hear that. We want to hear something. We don't want to hear that. No, I definitely don't want to hear that. Even though it's only Wednesday night, Friday is going to be here in 48 hours. Aaron Mordecki, you're going to be here in less than 24 hours. And you're going to be mine. That's right. You're going to be mine, pal. Oh!
Monday's blue, Tuesday's gray, and Wednesday too. Thursday, I don't care about you. It's Friday, I'm in love. Monday, you can fall apart. Tuesday, Wednesday, break my heart. On Thursday, doesn't even start. It's Friday, I'm in love.
And you're gonna be mine, pal. I swear to God. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania is coming down to sunny South Florida. Well, you know what? Take your Wheaties, take your vitamins, make sure you take your Viagra, take your Cialis, because let me tell you something, pal, you're gonna need it. And I'm gonna tell you, I don't wanna hear you cry. Don't you cry, Aaron. I don't wanna hear you. I want my mommy, I wanna go home. I don't wanna hear it. I don't wanna hear it, I swear to God. If I hear you cry up at the Ben Penthouse pool party, I swear to God, you're going off the cliff. You're going off the roof. Don't you cry. I don't wanna hear it. Well, let me tell you something. They went Sunday lovely stops in the Friday never hesitate. Just look to the eyes, it's a fucking surprise. See your shoes in those Irish rides. Around, sound. See the shake spinning round and round. Always take a big bite, such a gorgeous sight. To see you in the middle of the night. Oh, it's gonna be Friday, Mordecai. You know what? Mordecai? Let me tell you what we're gonna be doing here. Here you go, boy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here we go. KC and the Sunshine Band, and we're gonna get down tonight. Here you go.